What did Bernie Sanders do?
I don't know. Well, he was a senator.
Congress.
No, he was a senator in Congress.
Senator in Congress.
But I don't know what you mean when you say.
I think he would have did good if he became president.
Well, you have a socialist government then, and they feel everybody is equal to everybody else as well.
Equal to everybody else as well, that he would teach small children to steal and roll on drugs.
Well, I don't know about that.
Hillary Clinton, she sins also.
She what?
Sins. S-I-N.
She lies.
Does stuff against God's wishes.
Yeah.
What they want for president, they want a man or a woman they would trust and make things better.
Well, Trump trying to make things better, but they won't let him.
My first musical that I ever went to, my parents took me to see The Lion King, and it was breathtaking.
My first Broadway musical was The Lion King. I saw it last year, so my first was when I was 18. I loved it because I always loved the movie, and I think they did a great interpretation of it with the set and all the characters. I loved it so much.
You're on Broadway with Sirius XM.
That's the valley. There is moonlight.
I wonder who thought it up.
Something in your eyes I see soon begins bewitching me. It's that old devil that you stole from the skies.
Bernie Sanders and Clinton, Hillary Clinton, wants to pay people not to work.
So they're giving away that money.
Yeah.
Well, that's nice.
Well, no, it's not fair to people like yourself and your dad and your uncle and aunts. They have to work for a living.
So Clinton wants people to live for free.
What?
So Hillary Clinton and Sanders want people to live for free.
Yeah.
That would be nice, though.
Well, it's utopia.
Utopia? What's that?
Everything's perfect. Just people don't have to live. They get their food and their...
Sharing food, fire, and water, and animals.
Yeah.
What? So Trump wants to make prices go up?
No,
Or does he want to make prices go down?
he wants to make prices go down.
I'm not so sure if he can do that.
Something in your eyes I see soon begins bewitching me. It's that old devil that you stole from the sky. It's that old
So far, I have 5 minutes and 6, 7, 8. I have 5 minutes and 13 seconds.
Shit. I forgot.
You want to turn back for it?
No. Well, I hope they'll trust us.
Usually in America, but one of the things space one Franklin in Paris. What else? Argentina. I mean, these was in Argentina. And in countries, between the Pacific and musicals,
I have 7 minutes, 33 seconds.
That's pretty accurate.
What do you mean they're protesting on the news?
On the other hand, what kind of match would that be?
Oh, they were protesting.
Saying nasty things about Donald Trump.
Yeah.
Say like Donald Trump's selfish, spoiled little man. They have no use for him. They take something from him that they can never get back. They don't want to see him. They don't want to know him. Get out of my way, please. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yes.
And then Trump goes like, I'm sorry. I'm just doing my job.
No, he's not sorry. He doesn't say he's sorry. He's just doing his job.
Well, sometimes protesters say things they mean and they don't mean sometimes. And then when they get it straightened out, it can come out all messed up. Nine minutes, 23 seconds. We should be there in 10 minutes. 10 minutes on the thing. I found out why Brian Renfro, the singer, died. He had a addiction to drugs and alcohol, heroin overdose, and drug overdose. But he said that stuff was by accident. No, you do drugs on purpose.
Yes, you do.
He was only 25 when he died. He died back in 2008. 25? I'm going to be that on next Christmas. And he got heavier than me. And then he put himself in a video. If you get too much drugs, too much gambling, too much cold beer, it's going to end up getting in your way and hurting you in the end.
That's right.
Let me check the time. Oh, we didn't make it. It's 11 minutes and 11 seconds. There was a hospital I was in.
Yep.
Oh, you should have brought checkers in there, or did you?
No, I didn't.
Next time I'm sick in the hospital, you should probably bring checkers.
You won't be sick in the hospital. Never again.